Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to make the marinade for this Filipino style pork barbecue and chicken barbecue. But before that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I have a new upload, and it would help my channel immensely if you could give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also share it to your friends. I would very much appreciate it. And if you are an existing subscriber, hello, it's lovely to see you again, and thank you for coming back. So here we have 6 pieces of butterfly chicken breasts, skin on. This is the breasts of 3 whole chickens, and then underneath this is also 6 pieces of chicken quarters that I scored so that our marinade will penetrate through the meat. When we put it in the grill, it will cook all the way through and not having the burnt on the surface yet uncooked on the inside. We don't want that. So just to be on the safe side, you know what it's like, uncooked chicken really is dangerous, so it has to be cooked all the way through. To marinate this chicken, I am going to use 2 cups of soy sauce. I squeezed 3 lemons in here. I smashed 2 heads of garlic, 1 large chopped onions, 5 tablespoons of white sugar, and also black pepper. This is freshly ground. I am going to combine all the ingredients together first. 2 cups of soy sauce. It seems a lot, but we have about 3 large chicken pieces to marinate, so we want all the chicken to submerge in our marinade. So yeah, and then we put the 3 lemons, the onions, and garlic. I am also going to put about 2 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper, the 5 tablespoons of sugar, and then we stir. Oh, the smell. I wish you could smell this, guys. If the lemon's not enough, I might have to add just 1 more, but we'll wait until the sugar dissolved as well. Now I am going to pour our marinade all over the chicken. Ooh. By the way, I ended up using another lemon, so I added 1 more lemon and 3 more tablespoons of sugar. So altogether we use about half a cup of sugar. And then we mix this together. We turn it every now and again. If you're only marinating it for, I don't know, 3 hours, then turn it every hour. But since I'll be marinating it for almost 2 days, because I haven't got time to marinate it tomorrow, so I'm doing it today, but we're going to use it the day after tomorrow. So this is going to be marinating for 36 hours in the fridge. So every few hours, so at least tonight before I go to bed, I am going to turn it over. So here it is. I've mixed it all together. It's a little bit messy, so I didn't have to film it really. Literally, I just mixed all the chicken and distribute all the aromatics, the onions and the garlic, and now it's ready for the fridge. I'm just going to cover it and marinate it for the next 36 hours. This is now the pork loin. I've cut them in really thin slices like this. Usually in Philippines, we'll cut this into bite size and then put it in a skewer, but I haven't got time to actually put them and thread them all in the skewer, so I decided to just slice it like this, like pork chops, except they're a lot thinner so that the marinade will go straight into that meat. Imagine this marinating for the next 36 hours. Oh my goodness, you don't need dipping sauce for this. So I managed to actually cut them quite almost the same sizes, which is good, using my meat cleaver. Oh, this is gonna be so good. So now I'm going to prepare the marinade as well for this pork. Oh yeah, by the way, this is 1.2 kilograms. 1.2, yes, 1.2 kilograms. Slices into thin slices like this. This is like the bacon cut. So for this pork marinade, I have chopped here 1 medium onion, 1 head of garlic that's mashed, 3 tablespoons of lemon, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of lemon lime soda, either Sprite or 7-Up. I've got 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper here, and of course a cup of soy sauce. And then we're going to put it together and pour it over the meat. Oh, and by the way, I have a surprise ingredient after this. Soy sauce, lemon juice, garlic, onion, sugar, black pepper, and your lemon lime soda. And mix. And the secret ingredient is half a cup of tomato ketchup. Ketchup in. Stir. We'll stir until it's well combined and the sugar is melted, and then we'll pour it over the meat. And there it is. Now we're going to pour it over the meat. Oh. Let's distribute it first. I don't know if my container is big enough. Anyway. Over the meat. Oh dear, did it overflow? Oh shoots. Oh dear, I think the container is too small. Oh well, we'll mix it together and then put it in the fridge. And there it is. Our pork barbecue marinade is done. Now we'll just have to wait for 36 hours before we could start grilling it. The first batch of the chicken. It looks like manginasal. Nasa ilalim ng ano?
Nasa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Kung di pa kayo nakapunta sa UK guys, travel na kayo. Punta po kayo sa bahay ni Tita. Maraming masarap pagkain doon.
Wala na, dito na lahat.
Never heard of it.
Oh yeah.
I know that one. Can you sing it for me, please?
Tease me, baby.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Lose control.
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
I thought, tease me, say that you love me. What is that? Beef? Bulgogi.
Jiggy.